What is up, guys? Buenos dias. This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this premier wine region of Chile. Yes, this is one of the best wine producing areas in the country of Chile, South America. How do you go about pronouncing this in Spanish? Yes, of course, they speak some sort of Spanish in Chile, Chilean. It is essentially Spanish. How do you go about pronouncing this with the typical Spanish pronunciation? Colchagua. Colchagua Valley. In Spanish, they would say El Valle, which means Valle, Valle de Colchagua. Colchagua. Do insist on the middle syllable, the cha part. Colchagua. El Colchagua Valley. I hope this video was useful. Here are many more videos. If you like learning more about your vino, you found the right channel. I'll leave you browse around if you feel like it. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Hasta luego.